pretties. I just made a little impromptu studio out of the cards that I used to make my little earring card holders. If you want to do something pretty cool, make a 4x6 piece of cardstock in your favorite holiday paper. And then use your earring hole punch. Mine is a bead landing earring punch. That way you can hang your earrings inside a little card that you've made. This is a double-sided cardstock paper. This came out of a 6x6 package, and I just cut 2 of these 4x6s out of one 6x6 stack of paper. Pick whatever side that you like, if yours is double-sided, and then punch at the top right. That way, this would be the inside of my card. Someone can still write on the inside of the card on either side if they want. I did my punch here on the right side though, so that the earrings would hang on the back of the card. These are the other 2 little witch faces. Man, these are some really cool lampwork witches. I've got some little ogres, and I'm calling those the Ogre King. Then I have some silver pumpkins. These are copper pumpkins. And then I have these little witch owls. They're not perfect because lampwork beads are not made by a machine. They're made by hand. Okay, so here's my card. There's one earring, and here is the other earring. That's a perfect way to give a gift inside of a little card, but it's very quick and easy. Out of a 12x12 piece of cardstock, I think I got 6. When I use my 6x6 stacks, I have this Westcott titanium bonded Westcott. This will not fit a 12x12 piece of cardstock paper in it, so that's when I go and use my Martha Stewart one, where I can easily put a 12x12 piece of paper in. And that particular thing is just a cutter, so if I want to score the center so that I can easily fold my cards, then I pop it over after I've done all of my cutting to my handy dandy Westcott. And it has a cutter on it, but it also has the scoring blade. When you score it, it doesn't cut the paper, so that I can fold my cards easily. These pieces of paper are the ones that are already cut. Put the design down, and then I would find my 3-inch mark. It's got a little ruler here. Find my 3-inch mark so that I could do my half point. And this line that's underneath this, when I run this scorer down on the paper, and I'm going to push down hard to do so, then it makes a nice scored line here in the center, which there is the 3. So the edge of my paper is going to be on that 3. And I'm going to be pushed up here to where I'm not overlapping anything. And here's the scoring button. And it's going to be hard for me to do this while I'm also holding my camera. But you just want to go back and forth. You're going to push down hard. It's not cutting the paper. It's just making a line. And then, of course, you'd want to do your punching. And I like to punch it to where whatever the design is on the front is vertical, depending on your paper and whatever you want to do. You may even want to make a card like this. But if you're going to do that, you're not going to be able to easily punch for your earring because your spine of the card is going to be in the way. Unless you want to make a separate punched piece of paper like that and glue it inside your card. I can put stickers on it. You can put any kind of earrings in there, and then it makes a great little gift. If you're a jewelry designer, an additional cool thing about making these cards is it helps to give you a little bit of added protection when you go to put this in your bubble mailers or your gift boxes, because the cardstock kind of acts as an additional barrier. You really should be bubble wrapping your earrings and stuff. Have a spooktacular, sparkle-rific Halloween, y'all!